You too.
Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi channel. This time around, we prepared yet another banger episode for your enjoyment, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on my channel. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. Biker was filling gas until a stranger approached him with a knife in his hand. Check out how the situation unfolded.
What's up, man?
Dude, where'd you get this bike? No way, I've been to the same place.
They still have one.
Can I feel it?
I don't care.
Oh man, she is gorgeous, I can just tell.
What you doing with that knife, though?
Oh, it's just my Romanian colors.
Your what?
I'm part Roman.
Okay.
So this is basically the Romanian flag.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm not trying to cause you harm.
Oh, you're fine, man. But I have my hand on my piece, just letting you know, just in case.
Snapchat?
Sure.
Here, look, I'm giving you my phone.
hold on, wait, don't put it there, don't put it there. Give me a second.
Look, I'm putting my weapon away.
Why don't you just put it down, dude? There you go, brother.
So look. So.
So this, I always, if you're gonna buy a motorcycle, I always say get used. That's just my personal opinion, because you get them a.
You want to get used to it?
You want to get used to it. You get them a lot cheaper, and then when you feel more experienced, then buy new. Okay. But that's just my own personal.
That's smart, actually.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
I don't mean to keep you.
Oh, you're good, brother.
Well, honestly, it was a blessing.
No, dude, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, likewise, and I hope to talk to you more.
Yeah.
Watch how calmly this biker dealt with an angry Darren who almost hit him. This is what I call an A+ reaction.
So it's a Happy New Year! Dude, relax, man! Relax, it's a new year, man! What the Hey, let it go, let it go! Dude, let it go! Let it go! Let it go!
N'importe quoi. En plus de la salme. Viens. Ouais, c'est bon.
At least, he stopped after the mistake and he apologized to the biker. This is what happens when you don't pay attention at the road.
Straight through a red light. It's a red light there. Alright. Oh, you just completely ignored me. Right turn only. Look at the road. Right turn only. Right turn only. Are you stupid? Look at the road. Right turn only. Here, policeman will tell you. Right turn only. Go on. Right turn only. It's a right turn only, yeah? He keeps going straight. Hell, unbelievable. Hell, he's
This biker noticed a lady with a broken down car at the side of the road, so he pulled over to see if he could help. He let her use his phone to call the tow service. Much respect to this biker for helping out. This biker went a bit too fast in the curve and he crashed. Luckily, he wasn't injured in this situation.
want to lean on these ones.
I told you creek crossings are bad. Dude. Your bike's gonna be fine. We'll get it out. Don't worry. Hold on, no. Dude, you say you're okay? You just went through a... Alright, how many fingers am I holding out? Good.
This is what it looks like when you want to be considerate towards ladies. It's Valentine's Day, and what a better way to show affection to ladies than to give them roses. Watch.
No, I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to you real quick. I just want to say happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You be safe, alright? Alrighty. I just want to say happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's so nice.
You're welcome. Hey, excuse me, man. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
You know, I just wanted to give you something if it's okay with you. Can I give you a rose for Valentine's Day?
Oh my gosh, yeah,
You know,
that's so sweet.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am.
I like your bike.
Thank you very much. I like your car.
Thanks. Drive safe.
Hey, you too.
What?
What did you eat today?
What did I eat today?
Yes.
I don't even remember. I think I just had like a sandwich.
A sandwich?
Breakfast sandwich.
Like something you made
No.
from, do you know where from?
Blush tea.
Blush tea, where is that?
Where is it?
Uh-huh.
Why? Why are you asking?
I'm gonna go get it.
You are?
Yes.
Is that what you're recording?
Yes.
It's far from here.
Oh, man.
And they might not even be open.
Yeah.
I think you could get it tomorrow.
Okay.
But literally the only thing I ate was a biscuit sandwich.
A biscuit sandwich from Blessed Tea.
That's off of, I think it's like 20 minutes from here.
20 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. Can I give you this rose? Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sweet.
I gotta find something to eat now. Yes.
That made my day.
Thank you.
If you make it there and get the sandwich, enjoy it.
Thank you very much. What's your name, by the way?
Laura,
Laura, nice to meet you. I'm Swizz.
nice to meet you too.
Hey, thank you very much. Hey, man, you eat something yet? You eat something yet?
I got some.
Oh, okay. I'll have some McDonald's if you want it.
Yeah, I'll take one.
You want it? You can have it all, man.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir, man. Thank you. You be safe, all right? Yes, sir. Happy Valentine's Day. Yes, ma'am. You very welcome. Oh, I mean, I will. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. You be safe, all right?
This encounter was really special, and you'll see soon why.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you, ma'am.
Oh my God, I'm about to hit him. Oh my God.
No, ma'am. I just wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Oh my God, thank you.
You very welcome. You have a nice one, okay?
Oh my God, let me ride with you.
Okay, come on.
I ain't got no helmet. You kill me out here.
I would have put you on the back. You can ride. Come on. We can go out the street real quick. You want to?
I do.
Come on. Let's do it.
All right, let me park.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna. Where am I gonna park?
You can just let's park right here. Come on.
This is probably the craziest thing I've done in a long time.
Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
Demetra.
Demetra. Nice to meet you. I'm Swizz.
What's your name?
Swizz. SWRZZ.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am.
You better not kill me.
I promise you I won't. Alright, I got you. Yeah, let me give you a sticker. I got.
Look at you, all prepped and ready.
Yeah,
You gonna take me for a ride again
I
sometime?
got you for sure.
Okay.
Most done.
I don't weigh that much. I ain't gonna tell you
Yeah,
bike.
I got you. I'll bring a helmet next time for
Oh,
sure.
wait, let me get your number.
Okay.
You can call me D.
Z
D.
or D?
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't never gonna forget Swizz.
Okay.
You have no idea. I was complaining to a friend. I was like, I ain't got no Valentine's. I'm lonely as hell. Like,
Oh.
it's ugly out here. And she was just laughing. She was like, girl, you pull up to me. I just want to give you this flower.
Yeah.
Thank you. I needed that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna hold you.
No, it's okay.
I'm not gonna hold
Hey, it's alright.
you. enjoy today.
You-
It's so pretty out here. You have my number now. So
Yes.
if you want to hang out sometime,
Most of.
call me.
We gonna do it. We definitely gonna rock out.
I'm gonna hold you to it.
Alright, bet that. Be safe, okay?
Alright.
Alrighty. Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
You bet.
Driver took the biker's right of way at the intersection. He cut right in front of him and caused an accident. Luckily, the biker was not injured in this situation. Watch. These guys called the police on bikers for practicing wheelies.
I don't know. I don't. Yeah, I guess.
We'll just leave, my bad. I've already called the police.
Really? You could have just came out and told us to leave, man.
It's about as obnoxious as can be.
Huh? It's a bunch of businesses, dude. Whatever. Let's go. Yeah.
A small act of kindness can go a long way, and on top of that, you'll feel good about yourself knowing you helped someone out.
What's going on, brother?
What's up, man?
How you doing today?
Well, I'm hanging in there, man.
You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm trying to hang in there.
Keep living, bro.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Just you go to church?
No, I ain't been to church in years, man.
You go to church, bro. Just some yourself something to believe in.
I mean, I do have a Bible that I read, you know.
Okay,
I mean,
cool.
Yeah, I have a Bible on me that I read time to time, you know.
Well,
That's probably the closest church that I'm gonna get, you know.
don't give up, bro.
All right, thank you, man.
We love you, bro. I love you.
And with this clip, we reach the end of yet another episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully, you enjoyed this one as well. Until the next episode, ride safe and stay safe. See ya!